So to begin this video, I will show you that this account is restricted for day trading until June. So what happens when you reach 25K? Well, the account restriction will be lifted for the next trading section. As you can see, the portfolio reached 25K in intraday trading, as you can see here. Yet the restriction was still intact, and this is after market. This restriction will be lifted only if the portfolio closes above 25K. Furthermore, if my restriction is lifted tomorrow and the account closes below 25K the following day, then the Robinhood will reimpose the restriction. So you have to keep your balance above 25K if you are restricted. Another interesting thing happened today was the ADR fees. For those of you that have been watching me before, you know I hold NEO, which is FERA, listed under the name NEO Inc. I can show you here. Basically, it says here it's a FERA listed name for NEO, and it's a ADR. So basically, you have to pay a fee of 1 to 3 cents per year for holding the ADR. The detail is in the NEO prospectus. Anyways, in one of my smaller Robinhood account, the balance overall has become negative because of it. I remember that I only have 33 cents in cash for that account. For this reason, the account was negative $33 this morning. For future ADR investor, just remember that if you have an insufficient amount of cash to before the ADR fees, Robinhood will allow you to go negative. Moreover, Robinhood will not force you to sell shares to cover the cost. So basically, also know that this is a margin account. I do not know about cash account. I assume that it will be the same. So if you have insufficient amount in your portfolio, cash amount, then Robinhood will allow you to go negative. Basically, when you deposit money into the account, so I was negative $33. I deposit $100. They will automatically take it $33 out of that $100. So as you can see here, I have $488. It was around $550 the day before the ADR fees. So Robinhood just basically subtract that amount from your cash balance. Next, I will go through my portfolio. As you can see that the portfolio is up today and it's up positive basically year to date. The major contributor is still NEO because of its weighting. ExxonMobil call spread and rig cover put both helped. I added BRK.B shares, basically an option strike price for 2022, as you can see here, I believe yesterday. So as of right now, again, this portfolio is only consists of the 4 holdings. So let me just click on Exxon. As you can see, Exxon, which I have almost a month now, I think it's over a month now, but it is 40%. And the next position is the BRK, Berkshire $200 strike call. As you can see here, it's not really doing much. So the next position I have, it's REG, RIG, or Transocean. REG is something that I hold for quite some time now. Even though it shows that I am net positive between the total returns, I am still negative. So my average was still around 5. Basically, I bought RIG before all these adverse situation happened. So I have averaged down to $3, and I was planning to add to this after their earnings, basically to make sure that they gave me some confidence that they will be the survivors in this environment. However, I didn't get a chance to do it because I don't have the capital for it. So overall, I'm just holding this position. The last position in this portfolio and the biggest position in this portfolio is NEO, and it has been performing well. Their latest update shows that the demand is still picking up. They are pretty much recovered from the lockdown in China and everything that's happening there. Furthermore, with the new round of funding, state funding, the stress on cash and liquidity position is abated somewhat. I am still not planning to add anything above $2 because of the position I am currently holding. So basically, as you can see here, I have about 1,800 shares in this portfolio, and my average is around 579. So my total average for Neo, it's around like 350-ish. And as you can see, I'm not adding to anything above $2. So my option position, as you can see, is doing fairly well, up over 180%. And still planning to hold this. So that basically will conclude this month's update. Thank you for watching.